Come test drive the 2019 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, remote trunk release, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, steering wheel audio controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.